and welcome to USMLE SART. I am Shayla, the VP of Student Success. Today I'm going to walk you through how to search for clinical rotations on our website. So hopefully this step-by-step guide can kind of help you through the process from beginning all the way through payment and answer any questions that you have. As always, feel free to reach out to our team on WhatsApp, email, or phone call, or chat so that we can answer any questions or confusions that you might have. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. First, you'll start on our homepage. If you are to search for USMLESART.com, it'll take you to our homepage. You can see upcoming webinars and activities and discounts that we have going on. So make sure to check that out. But today we are looking for clinical rotations. So we'll go here on the website. When you get here, again, it will show any announcements that we have. So make sure to register for any upcoming webinars. This shows discounts. So if you click here on the fill the form now, you'll be able to open up a page that actually shows you all of our running discounts that we have going on our rotations. Right now we have a lot of discounts going on, so make sure to check those out. As well, it says valid until October 27th, but they are actually a lot of them running through the end of the year, even into the new year. So do check those out. So let's dive into how to book a rotation. So I would want you to click on check the rotation availability tab here. This is our clinical rotation site. If you don't have an account, it'll look like this. And I'll show you in a second how to make an account. So whether you've registered or not, you should be able to search for our rotations, which is really nice. You don't have to make an account to be able to search and see what we have. You can see that we have over 300 rotations available. These are in various specialties, in-person, hands-on, observership, tele-rotation, a variety of locations. So I just wanted to show you how we use the filters to search for a rotation. So obviously you can read these instructions too. It's all listed here, and it'll give you the option to log in or create an account with us. I do recommend that you log in or create an account. It makes it easier then the system will track which rotations you've searched for. We can keep track of what you're looking for, helps us better recommend for you, and then also we can better track what you've been looking for. So we do recommend logging in and creating an account with us. That way it's also easy to chat with us on the system, and when our team goes to chat with you, we can see what you've been doing. It's all under one login. So do log in or create an account with us if you haven't yet. But let's say that you don't do that. I'm going to show you how to do that in a second. So we can search for different specialties, obviously, hands-on, hybrid, observership, or tele-rotation. Location codes, you probably won't know what the location code is, but if there's a rotation that you know that you're looking for, you can just type the code in here, which is nice. You can search for a state, rotation setting. Your options are going to be inpatient or outpatient, or inpatient/outpatient. So those are the three options there. LOR types, we have got 4, clinic, hospital, university, and then there are a couple of rotations that don't provide a letter. Generally, probably not going to be a preference, but still can get experience with those. If you tick the offers, that'll show you any discounts that are running. Combo rotations are if it's going to be more than 4 weeks, so maybe doing multiple working with multiple physicians or multiple specialties, those should pop up. PD rotations is for program director. So any of our rotations that are under program directors, associate program directors, former program directors, or any other high up decision makers in the program, those should pop up there. And then you can also click sort by fees, which means it'll bring the cheapest rotation to the top. So I just wanted to walk you through those. So I'll just do an example. Let's say that you're looking for internal medicine. As a side note, right now the subspecialties, they do have to be searched for separately. Hopefully we're working on some updates so that you can kind of combine that. But let's say you're looking for cardiology specifically, you would have to type cardiology. It won't pop up under internal medicine. But for today, let's do an example. Let's do an internal medicine, hands-on rotation. We don't know the code. We're looking in, let's say, New York. That's a common place. We want inpatient and outpatient. And let's say we don't care about what letterhead. Sort by fees. I'll just show you. These are just an example. Apply filters. So 2 options pop up there for internal medicine in New York that's hands-on specifically. We can click on availability and learn more about these 2 options. But I wanted to show you that. If you're thinking, you know, okay, that's not enough options, definitely kind of play with these filters. Maybe remove the specialty so that subspecialties will pop up as well. Now we have 7, so we've got like a HEMONC option, an IMFM option that pop up in there. So just know, like, if you're filtering it down, you might be limited on the options that you have. So that's something to take in consideration. You could remove this. But yeah, that's how the filters work. So let's go. There's actually a particular rotation that I wanted to show you, and it is a HEMONC rotation in Texas. So I'm going to show you that one. This one here, L5 IMTX. So this is HEMONC in Texas. So here's what we're going to do to book a rotation. So here you can kind of see the highlight of the title, the location, the fees, the letterhead. You can kind of see all your options. You can click on testimonials to see students who have rotated there. And that'll open a new tab. So that way you didn't, if we went back to our old tab up here, we could remember our search. But this does open a new tab. So here you can see more details. We can see the zip code, we can see the setting, how long it is, what hospital it's affiliated with, all these things. Is there any discounts running? Which this one does have a discount. You can see the description, what you're expected to do, what documents you're expected to bring with you, the payment policy. All these things are going to be really helpful. Don't forget to check out our refund policy too. So that's going to be really helpful. Then this is really cool. We have added the calendar onto the rotation. So this is going to show, today's November 18th. So that's why it doesn't show anything before then. But this will show the availability option. So this particular rotation only starts on Mondays only. There may be options to start in the middle of the week if needed, but the preference is to start on a Monday. So that's why it shows it like that. So let's say that you want to go, let's say you want to rotate in December. You're like, okay, December 10th. If I click on December 10th, it will say here, congratulations, you can start December 8th or December 15th. It gives you, the closest Monday, basically. So that's helpful to be able to see. So you'll click on, let's say, okay, fine, I want December 8th. This is talking about the discount that's going on. When you're ready to pay, you'll click I agree, pay application fee. Before I click that, feel free to always chat with our team. This is email or WhatsApp. When you click on those, it'll open up the link so that you can chat with us and get any clarifications that you need. While I'm here, I did want to know, at any time that you feel like you need some assistance or further guidance on which rotation do I choose, because there's so many choices, always feel free to schedule a meeting with our team. Back here on the clinical rotations page, we do have set up time with us. So if you click on this link here, you can set up a call. Those are free calls. So set up a free call with us. We can talk, kind of guide you through next steps, what to expect, what happens after payment, all those things. Okay, so here we are though. We're here. We are going to pay the application fee. So it's here at this point. You can choose credit card, Zelle, or wire transfer. Let's say we're going to do credit card, debit card today. Each of those links does give you the instructions on how to pay. But here, right here, it says enter your email if you want to pay as a guest or log in or register. So those are the two options that you have that will pop up if you have not created an account. If you created an account, it'll obviously just say pay here and it'll be linked to your account. So no need to already, log in again. But let's go into that really quick. Let's say log in, register. You can click register here. And then this is the basic information that we'll just need from you to create an account. Pretty simple. Name, email, create a password, phone number, medical school, and the year that you're applying for residency. And that registers, and that makes it really easy for you to be able to, have an account and be able to chat with us easily and all of that. Okay, so we'll go back to where we were here. So I agree, pay application. I'm going to click on log in or register, and I will go ahead and log in since I do have an account. Okay, so now you can see my name will appear at the top. So your name should appear at the top and there'll be a log out option. That means that you're correctly logged in. So you can resume with the payment. So this will show you including processing fees. We're looking at $156.30. If you want to avoid those processing fees, you can pay by Zelle if you have a US bank account. So just keep that in mind. And then obviously you'll enter in your credit card information here. and click pay. Okay, once you have paid, you should receive a message like this that says payment successful. It should have hopefully your email here at the top and all the details that you just paid for. You should get this message as an email as well. So same sort of thing. It says location code, email, you've successfully paid. It says, please note that to reserve your slot and be officially connected with the physician, the full rotation fee must be paid. So do note that that is important. Just paying the application fee does not book your spot. That's just applying for the rotation. Once you pay the full fee, then we'll connect you with the physician, you're booked, you'll have a spot. So then you can pay the full rotation fee here. Again, chat with us if you get lost. I will note, if you, let's say that you're not ready to pay, maybe you're booking the rotation for, say, 6 months from now or something, you can wait to pay at least 45 days before your start date. So you can pay later, but just note that availability is not guaranteed. At that point, you'll need to check availability again to make sure that there are spots, because you're not fully booked until you do pay in full. So paying in full is the recommended way to go, but you can wait until 45 days prior to your start date if needed. You should get email reminders and notifications on how and when to do that too. So just keep track of that. Also, I'll note, if you need a visa letter or acceptance letter from us, you can click here on this link. It will open up a new tab with a form to fill out for the visa letter instructions. You'll fill out a form. We'll show you how to pay for that and kind of next steps on that. So that's another important step. Okay, so that is paying for that. I'll go ahead. Let's say that you're ready to pay your full rotation fee. So again, you can go ahead and click on that. Choose credit, debit card, Zelle. Let's say I choose Zelle this time. Oh, you have to agree. Let's say I choose Zelle this time. This just gives you the instructions here. So this is our Zelle name, the email associated with the account, and the instructions, and then you'll pay the amount. It does include the discount amount that's going on right now. Same thing with Wire. This gives you instructions, the account number, all of that information. Make sure with Wire you do include a $35 processing fee with every transaction that you do. So if you paid the $150 and then you pay the $2,600 separately, you would need $35 added to both of those transactions, if that makes sense. But for simplicity, let's just say you're going to pay credit card, debit card. So $2,600 is a $500 discount plus processing fee. $2,884 is the full fee. You can choose to pay the full amount or pay in 2 installments. And you'll get a reminder to pay the second installment if you choose that route. So let's go ahead and pay in full. And again, this will open up the checkout page. So you'll put in your information. And click pay. Okay, and again, you'll be guided to the same confetti page here, payment successful. Again, it'll show what you paid, that you've successfully paid. And you should get an email as well that you are all paid, ready to go. At this point, our team will also get a notification that you paid, and we will connect you with the physician at this point. So we'll say copy you on an email with the physician that says so-and-so has paid in full. Please allow us at least 2 business days to be able to process the payment. So it should be pretty quickly, but give us a couple days maximum to confirm the payment, make sure it went through, connect it to you, and then connect you to the physician via email. So we'll do that. And then, of course, you can feel free to chat with us if needed, but no need to notify us that payment's been done. We will get a notification on our end too. So we will do that. One thing I will note, if you paid with a different email than you are registering with, so sometimes a family member or parent is paying for you, do send us an email just to clarify that. So, hey, my name is Shayla. I paid with XYZ email, but I am registered with, I want to be connected with my Shayla email, whatever it is. So just make sure we know what it's connected to. If it's all the same email, no need to message us. So, okay. Okay, perfect. We made it through the entire process. Congrats on booking your first rotation with us. Do Do remember to check our discounts going on. We do have huge discounts running right now. And we're even running through the end of the year, 2025. We are offering $50 off your application fee if you book 2 or more rotations with us. So get those rotations booked for the 2026 season, 2026 calendar year. And we're excited to work with you. Again, feel free to chat, WhatsApp, email, or schedule a call with us if you do get lost. Thanks, everybody.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope that video provided valuable insights for your journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram and Twitter. And check out our website for details on how we can guide you to a successful match.